Hi! Welcome to my class. Our topic for today is about two-way tables. We are going to construct two-way tables to interpret relative frequencies. But how can I construct a two-way table? Let us try to solve this problem. Sarah asked her swimming teacher regarding the number of swimmers they have in school. She found out that there are 52 in the boys section and 6 of them are non-swimmers. The total of swimmers in the school is 85 and 15 of the girls are non-swimmers. Construct a two-way table summarizing the data. Let's draw a table with two categories, swimmers and non-swimmers, and then boys and girls. Let's try to figure out how are we going to put them in the table. So we can come up with the swimmers and non-swimmers on the heading, and the first column will be boys and girls and then the total. So non-swimmers for the boys, 6, and for the girls, 15. The total number of swimmers, 85, and the total number of boys, 52. So we can fill up the table accordingly. Therefore, if there are 52 boys and 6 of them are non-swimmers, 46 are swimmers. If 46 boys are swimmers and the total swimmers are 85, therefore, 39 girls are swimmers. And we can finally fill up the total number of girls, which is 54, and the total number of non-swimmers is 21. Now we constructed a two-way table. So let us find out and interpret the relative frequencies of the swimmers and non-swimmers in the school of Sarah by rows. To find the relative frequency by row, we're going to divide the value of each row by the total value of the row and round it to the nearest tenths. So if we're going to divide the first row, which are boys, by 52, and the second row, which are girls, by 54, we can come up with the relative frequency. And based on the relative frequency values, we can find out that most of the students are swimmers and 88% of them are boys. Let us try to fill up the two-way table, which gives some information about how students go to school every day. By walking, taking a private car, or riding a bus. 23 boys walks, and the total who walks are 44. 11 girls take the private car. 15 boys ride the bus. 21 girls also took the bus, and the total is 100. So let's try to fill it up. If the total number of the students who are walking is 44, therefore, 21 of them are girls, since 23 of the boys are already walking. We can find out right away the total number of the students who are taking the bus. 15 plus 21 is 36. Now let us get the total number of the girls, which are filled up. 21 plus 11 plus 21, it will give us 53. Since the total number of students is 100 and the girls are 53, therefore, the total number of the boys are 47. So, the number of boys who are taking private car will be 9, and the total number of students who are taking the private car is 20. Therefore, we can come up with a total of 100 all in all. In solving the relative frequency, we're going to divide the first row with the total and the second row with its total also. So, we can come up with the following values. And based on the relative frequency of 0.49 in one of the cells, we can imply that most of the boys, which is 50%, went walking when going to school. Math is easy. Just try to look at back on those whom you think you don't understand, and I know on the second look you will understand it. Till next lesson. Bye-bye.